Hi, Lisa. It is crazy outside. It's windy. There's a lot of dust. There's really a lot of dust outside. We're going to Los Angeles, and I thought it was not going to be this windy. It's so windy, Lisa.
It's gum.
Ew. Ew, get that away. No.
Eat it. Guys, eat this. Guys, eat
My God, the wind is so terrible. Is there a sandstorm happening? Because there's a lot of sand.
Oh, I see some cats in there.
I think we're having a sandstorm, Ulysses. We've never been in a sandstorm, but I think we are. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Lisa, this is crazy.
I know.
Oh my goodness. You're gone. Wow, that was a bunch of dust. It really stuffed.
Mommy, come on.
There's a bunch. Oh my goodness, you can't. Are you seriously? This is scary, guys. I don't think you should go to Los Angeles today. This is crazy.
It's crazy.
That's crazy.
It's crazy for
I don't like that. It's windy. Oh my gosh. It's terrible outside. You can hear the wind maybe. It's so dusty.
Louder.
You're louder?
Louder. More louder.
I don't think that can happen.
I'm gonna break you.
Oh my goodness. It looks like we're about to fall. I just can't believe it. Why is there a cloud? That's so weird. Do you see it, guys? It's smooth because of the wind.
It's so dusty.
I know.
Guys, look at my window. I don't know what
There's
those
not
are.
a bunch of dust, but there's smoking over there. You can't really see it.
Yeah, I thought those cats.
Oh my goodness.
Are we just going to?
We're going to Los Angeles, and I thought it would not be windy, right?
I thought we'd just be like a beautiful, relaxing bird.
Yeah, but I'm kind of getting scared because I feel like the truck's gonna take
There's so
over.
much cars behind us.
Let me see. Oh my goodness, guys! Did you hear that? It's crazy. Guys, we're in the truck. So then, and we're literally all right here. And goodbye, guys.